Sometimes you got to shut the machine off, and then you put it in gear. You can shift it like that, but to get it in, sometimes you got to put it back in neutral to get it where you want it. In other words, turn it off. Here, put it in neutral. Battery in it. The transmission looks like everything works, it's just tricky. This is a pretty nice machine. I can't see the air meter on it. It's got frost on it. Guys, this is a nice machine, luggage racks. No title. Steering's tight on it.